Voice of your kitchen. Your kitchen has a voice telling a painful story, which would shock you if you were to hear it, but you know it's been trying for years, yet you're not hearing it. You don't believe it, but yes, it's true. Wake up in the middle of the night when everyone is deeply asleep. Wake up and go, walk quietly with no noise, hold your heart and look. It's literally talking. It talked about you and your oppressive troubles, of your wiggles where you use it day and night, and make them a mess. When I had the conversation the third time in more seriousness, in a very rusty sound it said, "Don't look like this, I'm not what you are looking for." Initially, I was very gentle, clean, fresh, shiny, and well-arranged, and now look what happened. They care for their bedroom, their living room, even their entryway in paradise, and ignore me alone like I am not there in the family. Every morning I thought, okay, I will be shiny today, but at the end of the day, they left me with dirt and chaos. Not me alone, every kitchen member has the same story. For I am not just a kitchen. I am a sanctuary, a space that craves love and care. Yet, day by day, I am left to wither under the weight of your indifference. I was once a place of warmth and comfort, where meals were prepared with love and shared with laughter. But now I am but a shell of my former self, burdened by the neglect that surrounds me. Do you see the mess that engulfs me, the spills left unattended, and the clutter that suffocates my every corner? I am suffocating, drowning in the sea of neglect that threatens to consume me whole. And yet, amidst the despair, there is a glimmer of hope, for I am not alone in my suffering. Kitchens everywhere share my pain. We are the forgotten souls of the household, the silent witnesses to your daily lives. But we refuse to remain silent any longer, for our voices deserve to be heard. So wake up, dear homeowner, and listen to the story that your kitchen has to tell. For it is a tale of oppression and neglect, but also one of resilience and hope. And remember, the next time you pass me by, take a moment to truly see the heart that beats within these walls. The fun fact is you are not alone. It's the voice of every kitchen. So if you want this voice to remain within you and your kitchen, take the first steps like no one has yet taken, and give life once again to them. Bring them original form. For that I have some tips. Day and make your heart's home breathable. 1. Declutter. Begin by stripping away the unnecessary, organizing your kitchen space with precision. Remove clutter that suffocates the room, hiding away appliances, utensils, and ingredients not regularly utilized. Consider installing shelves or cabinets to maintain order. 2. Let in natural light. Embrace the gift of natural light, allowing it to flood your kitchen with warmth and vitality. Keep windows unobstructed, perhaps adorning them with sheer curtains or blinds that allow sunlight to dance through. For an even brighter space, contemplate the installation of skylights or enlarging existing windows. 3. Choose light colors. Coat your kitchen walls and cabinets in hues that reflect light, expanding the space and fostering an airy ambience. Consider shades of white, cream, pale blue, or soft green to infuse your kitchen with a sense of freshness and openness. 4. Add plants. Introduce the vibrancy of indoor plants to your kitchen, invigorating the atmosphere and purifying the air. Opt for low-maintenance varieties like herbs, succulents, or pothos, adorning windowsills, countertops, or shelves with their verdant beauty. 5. Improve ventilation. Prioritize proper ventilation to keep your kitchen feeling crisp and alive. Equip your space with a reliable range hood or exhaust fan to whisk away cooking odors, steam, and airborne grease. Enhance airflow while cooking by opening windows or utilizing a portable fan. By following these 5 foundational steps, you can metamorphose your kitchen into a lively and breathable haven, a space where every moment spent is a joy.